Where have I been? I've been very busy, but I need to give you guys the last part of the Vegas vlog series. As you know, we went to Las Vegas. We had so much fun. The city life is over. We were in the city enjoying. This time is the mountain life. We are going in the mountain. We are going to the Hoover Dam. Oh my God, the wood alone is so beautiful. The scenery. I love me a good road trip. Road trip is my thing. Although I do not like to drive to a far place like 15, 16 hours, but I like to go to a short distance driving, looking at beautiful sceneries, playing music in the car, talking, having a good time. It feels so good. So we are going to the Hoover Dam in Vegas. I think it's 45 minutes to an hour from the city, and it was amazing. I love it. If you visit Vegas, yes, save one day to go to the Hoover Dam. It's a lot. You will spend one day there, but you will enjoy it. If you are somebody who love the mountains, who love sceneries, who love looking at nature itself, this is for you. Go visit the Hoover Dam. So we drove about 1 hour to get there. As you get there, there is so many stops that you can stop at just to take a look at other areas, because it's a very long road, and then there are so many sceneries at any point. So while you're driving, you might see people stopping at some point. If you just stop your car too, girl, oh boy, stop your car and go check it out. Oh my God, the views were amazing. My husband was afraid of the height because we were on top of a bridge. I'm gonna just let you enjoy these amazing views with me. Oh my God, it felt so good. So guys, go conquer the world, travel the world, do a lot of travels to experience new things, new cities, new life, new food, new people, new culture. It's so good. It's so beautiful, and I'm looking forward to visit many, many more countries, and I'll be sharing them with you. Enjoy this vlog, guys. Leave me a comment. If you have not watched my Vegas vlog series, go back and watch. I think it's 4 parts, and this is the 5th and last video for the Vegas series. And after this, there will be no more, but enjoy. If you have not watched the previous 4 parts, go back and watch the other parts. They are mostly city life, city vibes. This is nature vibe. You know, I love nature. I love the jungle. I love water. I love the mountains. I'm not a city girl. I live in the city, but I'm not a city girl. I'm a nature type of person, and I cannot wait to live in the jungle one day. Enjoy these beautiful sceneries, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. ap gade bay sa, ap gade bel merveille e pou el sa arrive. Si te roule chavye, tout moun moui bebe. Yo gen chans. Oh, yo gen chans. Yo chans yo gen, bon Dieu sauve. Bon Dieu sauve yo bebe. Il tap kondi a fos.
Lo gen le makin devan, li met pa fe kon pick-up. Rapi pick-up.
Yo ka mande nou Haiti, nou gen Haiti nou son. Ka nou koze. Sa gade nou be, please.
E nan miton la ou kondi, wè lò pa fò. Lò makin ap ven ou ka aranje ko. Ba bezwen met nan tèt ou. De pou met nan tèt ou e kom si ou do ret nan ling nan doat, wap pou se moun. Se moun ou ti fwe lam. N'importe ou wap ka repare.
Son merveille moun yo ap gade merveille. Ay, la machine. Chule, notre. Baby, we kunnen wel komen Camilla. Not service, please proceed. Continue.
Yo, you fait continue.
Non, il dit là longtemps. Ou alors, on va côté au camper sous tête, bridge up, regarde en bas. Oh my God. Regardez mon yap marché, ouais. Vous êtes de faire ça auto, oui. La machine pa ka, paket machine paket la. Try pakin. Bal be ou pakin nan, nou be de ba vin be ou pakin nan. Ay la te. La breja? E sou lot bo nou wale? B, you have to conquer your fear. You have to conquer your fear, baby. Mais même qu'elle me saute tout, but moi j'y me fait. Qu'elle me saute, but moi j'y aime. C'est l'amour, père, oui. Ou père l'amour. Tu as peur de l'amour. Il peut pas faire ça, oui? Regarde la vidéo. Bébé pour saute marcher sous l'IA, oui? Et pour saute marcher sous l'IA. Wesh yo? Regardez des merveilles. Là, je vais payer. Ou pas la payer? À ça, je vais payer. $30. Je vais vous dire marché.
Il faut zoomer barrière là pour pas faire.
Mbak ci vidéo.
Ok.
Hold on.